This is Boy. I'm staff multi-cloud architect from multi-cloud architect team. We are going to talking about the VMware Cloud on AWS integrating with AWS native services. Key feature of the lab, and number one is from the service perspective, we are going to have some deep dive of this lab. Is, for example, the ENI elastic network interface, VMware Transit Gateway, FS for window, net app on tab, data for storage. And secondly, that customer is gonna be confident in management, configuration, routing design, troubleshooting, and security policy, but also scalability. All kinds of things that they're gonna be learned from this lab. This lab is gonna be designed for cloud administrator and virtual infrastructure administrator, either you be in a cloud, public cloud, private cloud, or hybrid cloud. Is that designed for very fundamental and could be a very high level, advanced level? Yeah. There will be experience from the guided step by step, and we'll get familiar with the UI from the SDDC and also from the AWS side. Yeah, we'll continue to update the lab and iterate it from step continuously. Make sure that we make sure customer has the latest update of the lab. Yeah. Hope you enjoy the lab and you'll find it useful to you.